This crazy, right? Seeing them stuck together after having sex. This what happened when two dogs mate. They get stuck together. So he stuck inside her, right? Imagine if how human beings, Auntie, had sex like that, right? And we got stuck together. Imagine a person come home, catch a girl stuck with somebody. I can hear her now. You know how women be trying. We wasn't even doing nothing. Why he stuck in you then? Why y'all stuck? Yeah, this gonna be a big litter, man. This litter gonna sell for a lot. The blue nose Pitbull with a bull massive, big, stupid gangster dog. This dude head is humongous, man. Yes, you are, Rex. Is he big, Auntie?
Yeah,
Big? Crazy.
I stuck my baby.
Yeah, oh yeah, stuck your. Well, at least she get to pay off all the damage she done in the house, tearing stuff up and stuff. At least she get to pay off. So that litter gonna pay. Hold on, how long you been here, Auntie? 4 months? About 4 months? Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So she. Okay. Yeah. You. So she was. Yeah. Farrah was here longer than you. I was trying to see how long I had Farrah here before you got here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So she was like 6 months old.
So she had her first and her second. She done got stuck in 2 days.
Right. By two different dogs.
Tried to make a little W out of her.
Oh, that mean whore. Yeah, she a dog. That's what they would have done in the animal kingdom. So
You done made a W out of her.
I made her out of whore. Yeah.
They wouldn't let. She was just getting friendly with the other one. We stopped her.
Right, because he wasn't beastie as this one, man. And I hope she didn't get pregnant off that other one. You know what I'm saying? Because
Child done got
she probably got what?
2 sets of litter.
Probably so. They probably would do that though. 2 sets of litter. I think if I'm mistaken, that actually can happen. I think if you had 2 different dogs hit her back to back like that, it's possible she could have 2 different litters in her. But I wanted him though, man, cause his breed more stronger and bigger. You know what I'm saying? Look, he got to be hurting like, man, don't move. You know how you know how somebody could be having sex. You don't want to stop with the girl, and then you don't want to come real quick, and they move. You like, don't move. That's how you is stuck to her, like don't move. That got to be painful. Ooh, look, she's steady pulling.
Oh, they stuck.
Yeah, they stuck. Cause imagine if hey, I was just telling your mother, cuz I was just telling your mother, imagine if we got stuck like dogs get stuck. Look at Sarah. Look.
They were trying to get away.
That's crazy. Yeah, you a better soldier than me, fam. I don't think I ever want to have sex if I had to be stuck and she pulling away. Pulling that, look, she trying to get out of that. Yeah. You don't want no water or nothing. You'll be all right, girl. So how much we selling the puppies for, Auntie?
$650
$650 a piece?
a piece.
I hope she have more than 8. I hope she have more than 8 puppies.
You got to keep an eye on her. Make sure she don't, because some dogs
What you say, cuz
No bread.
huh?
You ain't got no bread.
It is some bread in there.
Where?
Look, all that food in there. Look.
Oh,
It.
look. I ain't
Which
seen it.
refrigerator you looked in?
I looked in the refrigerator and the freezer.
The deep, not the deep freezer. The deep freezer or the what? Huh? It's almost over, little girl.
Pharaoh was crying at first, but
I don't know. Cause they wasn't doing nothing at first. Then when I came in, it was already over. They was already stuck together. It was over already. So I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
started trying to get away.
Yeah, she steady trying to get away. Look how big he is over her, man. He like twice her size. Yeah. I was supposed to did my blogs, but I said, you know what? Let them see this. Okay, then we gotta go store and get some.
Put a nail in the car.
Okay, get back.
Tell her I said, come see this.
She don't want to come see that. Why you want her to come see
She
that?
said she did.
She wanted to see them stuck together?
Uh-huh.
Why? Let me see. Come on. See what y'all doing. I'm also showing this so when we sell the puppies, they can get to see how the father really look. You know what I'm saying? But people be wanting to see how the father look, what breed he is, how big he is. There you go, right there. Look at Farrah.
He's juicing her up.
Look, she wet everywhere. He said he doing what? He
She
just
doing everything. She doing everything she can to get away from it.
to get away from. What you mean she juicing him up?
I say he juicing her up.
He juicing her up. Did you ever like dogs before you did you really like animals before you came and moved in with me? Did you really actually like animals?
I had my own dog.
Dog or dogs?
I had my own dog.
So you did own a dog one time.
Uh-huh.
What
My
happened?
mama took him from me.
My mama took him from you? What dog was that? You better not say Scheinberg.
No.
What dog? Was I born?
No.
I wasn't born?
No.
Oh, okay. I wasn't even born. This my mother's sister, y'all. It's my Aunt Peaches. She just outliving everybody, man. It's my mother's sister right here. I take care of her now. She came moved in with me now. I'm taking care of her now. That's that's the oldest one in our family, just about. You know what I'm saying? And she outliving everybody, just strong. It's the one y'all be in the background screaming all the time. Waiting good as when I go live, then start screaming. I be like, hey, do you need anything before I go live? Get us set up, but still great.
Relax, Farrah, and he'll get through.
That's good. That's her advice. He already through. Once they get stuck like that, Auntie, they through. He's still enlarged inside her, so he's swollen. Boy, good.
But she got to relax for him to get out of her.
What happened to your dog? You said my mama stole it.
I didn't say she stole it. She took it.
What, you gave it to her?
I meant she took it. Just what I said.
Ain't that stealing then?
She was pregnant with your mama, and I had just had Mary Ann.
Wait. She was pregnant. What?
She was pregnant with your mama, and I had just had Mary Ann.
Who was pregnant with my mama? What are you talking about?
Your mama was pregnant with Janet.
All right, because you said that all wrong.
Your mama was pregnant with Jack.
Right, okay, you said my mama was pregnant with my mama. What? Yeah, they still stuck.
What are they now?
Right, yeah. Now you say, okay, so you said my mother came and took your dog because my mother was pregnant at the time with my big sister. My mama was.
Come here, tell you still stuck.
Come on,
Don't
baby.
be scared. Come on. Come here.
They can't move.
They can't move.
That's my cousin, girl in the background. She scared of dogs.
Come on, you come on with me. I got you.
Come on. Look. Just look.
See how big, how much bigger he is than King?
They stop.
Yeah, they stuck.
Yeah, they stuck.
They must stop.
She got to relax so he can pull himself around.
I gotta run to the store and get
Because
some
that's the way
I gotta go get some bread.
he stuck it up in her. Now he got to wait till she relax. So
What is the water for?
for them
In case they was thirsty.
they thirsty
You gotta do what, auntie?
to drink. Cause they
No, you
thirsty.
say he stuck in there and now she gotta what?
She got to relax.
She gotta relax.
So that he can get away from her.
Why he let him do it? We don't get stuck. Don't let him do it.
Yeah.
They gonna do it
She,
again.
I called him and made a whore out of her. She'd have been stuck twice in 2 days
By two different dogs.
by 2 different dogs.
Get more than me.
I told him I used to be a pimp, man. You know, that's what you do, man. I used to be a pimp, you know, that's get that money, man.
Why they can't us still?
Cause his swelling got to go down. He enlarged inside her, so his swelling got to go down.
That both of them looking crazy.
Yeah, that's why.
So they finna us still. How long it's gonna take?
It usually take 10, 15 minutes.
How long it be?
About 10 minutes. You've been outside 10 minutes.
So I can get the fuck out there.
Imagine if we got stuck like that as humans. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy.
Talking about us women would have been saying.
Like, yeah, how could you, hey, guys too, how could you tell, bro, babe, I wasn't even doing nothing. Then why y'all stuck together?